Hi everyone, it's Carling with the Park Group, and today is Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am so excited to be here with Ira Horn of Providence Homes. Ira, please tell us what we're going to be looking at today.
So today we're looking at the Cypress at Crosswinds. This is a model home that's being converted into inventory. All our walkthroughs with Nocatee and the Park Group are special events. Today's a little extra special, and if you stay through to the end, I'll give you a little something extra that not everybody has.
All right.
All
I'm
right.
excited to see this now for sale Cypress model.
Well, you and I walked this house when it
That's
first
true.
became a model
That
home.
is true.
So let's see it again
Lead the way.
as we walk through this beautifully lit foyer area. You've got a little powder bath for the guests.
Tons of natural light right at the beginning of the home.
I think that's really true, and hopefully true throughout the house. You've got this beautiful kitchen area, well appointed with GE cafe appliances, upgrades on upgrades. It's a model home after all.
Stunning.
So it's going to have a lot of eye appeal and really some of the finest things.
I love this large island, the unique countertops. I love the color selections y'all did in here, that huge cooktop. This is just a dream kitchen, Ira.
I agree. This is the heartbeat of the house. Now, this house follows that pattern of owner suite down, secondary bedrooms, and a loft upstairs. Most of the houses that are this wide are limited to 2,400 square feet here in Nocatee. This one has 2,468 air-conditioned space and an extended garage.
Wow.
So that's really nice. So for all of your storage needs, your golf carts, you name it, that's really, really handy. In the laundry room,
Yep.
check that out.
That was beautiful. All that countertop space, all the cabinets, place to hang your clothes. A dream laundry room.
It's really nice. And speaking of dreams, how about a vaulted ceiling with wood beam accents and this outdoor living that's move-in ready for the family who is lucky enough to get this house.
Absolutely stunning. If I lived here, I would keep those sliders open and just check out this view.
I really like it. You've got the summer kitchen, including a pizza oven already in. How about imagining on this travertine area, sitting around with your guests, enjoying that fire pit at that preservation home
That
site?
preservation view, I love it. This is like indoor outdoor living dream goals.
This is kind of what everybody is looking for, but there's a little bit more house to show.
Check out the beautiful sliders again. And
it's really nice. And I don't know if you caught it, but that outdoor living area also extends the vaulted ceiling. As we walk into the owner suite, you're going to see that vaulted ceiling element carried into here. You'll notice, yeah, go ahead.
Beautiful. Again, that beautiful preservation view.
I really like it. And in here, again, well appointed. You've got a nice vanity area, complete with a knee space. So you could sit down and do makeup.
Yep.
There's
Yep.
plenty of storage.
Do your hair, do your makeup.
I love the bathtub, and I love the heavy glass enclosure at the shower.
I love the shower. I love the tile.
Oh, great
choices. This is like a spa-like bathroom. This is amazing. A spa-like experience back here.
It really is. And that closet system comes with the model home, as do all the appliances, the washer, the dryer, the refrigerator, things you don't usually get.
No, that's amazing.
It's really, really nice. I also especially appreciate where we are. So we're at Crosswinds, which is a straight shot to Nocatee Town Center. You've got Splash, Spray, you've got Seabrook Park, you've got Crosswater Park, you've got Settlers Pond, walking distance from here. And Carling, you're only 1.5 miles from US 1. So if you're commuting to any place in Jacksonville, it's very
so convenient to get to St. Augustine, to get to Jacksonville. Amazing location down here in Crosswinds.
Big secondary living area for the kids to have their separate space that doesn't bleed down too much downstairs.
Yep.
Big secondary bedrooms. big walk-in closets in every one of the 3 bedrooms here. You've got an ensuite.
Remarkable size bedrooms, remarkable size closets. Love that bathroom.
Really charming. Look at the size of this closet. So this is one of the effects of the extra square footage that I talked to you about, is this room is a little bit longer. That closet is exaggerated a little bit, which is really, really handy. I would say that there's no best bedroom for your best GPA child, but
no favorite child. Each bedroom is incredible.
Every child gets a special extra billing because of the size of these secondary bedrooms and walk-in closets. As with every Providence home, this home has Energy Star EPA Indoor Air Plus certifications, Energy Star certifications. But I'm going to tell you, that's really wonderful for keeping your house last longer and live better. It's got the foam at the roof deck, but honestly, my favorite thing about the standard 6-inch walls and the foam at the roof deck and all those great high performance features is how quiet it makes the house. You know, we shut that door.
Quiet.
You don't hear anything. Nothing but my booming voice. But Providence is a wonderful builder. This is a wonderful home at a great location. One of the last opportunities at Nocatee. It's the model home.
Now's your chance. Everybody wants to live in a model home, and now is your chance.
And remember I told you something extra special?
Yeah, what was it that you were saving for the end?
So this could end without any prior notice as all incentives, but the seller is offering 4.99% 30-year fixed on this home.
That's incredible.
With everything included. And it's just being finished up in its conversion. So some lucky family is going to make it theirs. I'm hoping one of our viewers is watching and is going to reach out to me and make this their family home.
Thank you so much, Ira, for showing us this, and remind everyone how they can get in touch with you.
They can call me directly at 904-309-2292, and I look forward to helping you get into your dream home today.
All right, everyone. Thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.
See you later.
Bye.